Hi guys! Today is August 18 here in Perth and I'm back! I'm going to unbox my Samsung S10 Plus. Yay! I'm here outside so that I can hear the birds. Yeah, so without further ado, I'm going to unbox now my Samsung S10 Plus. So this is I already take the cellophane, the plastic, so I already opened it, but I have to formally unbox this time. So yes, so I'm gonna open now my Samsung S10 Plus, guys. So this is how it looks like. So this is it looks like it has it says see us first. Yeah, so and then this is the unit, guys. It is color white at the back, and I'm going to turn it on. All right, I want you to see. Turn it on. See, not yet. I have the long. It's open. Oh, see, right now I'm going to unlock it. See, it's open now, guys. So my face, I have my picture there. It was a year ago. So guys, this is my I unboxed my Samsung S10 Plus. Come here, baby. My babies. And it has a charger. It has a charger and a good headset. I like the sound of this charger. And then the inside of this of the box is this one. I don't know what's this for, guys. Yeah, I think this is something to do with the taking off of something to protect a protector. But I already put the protector here, guys, and this really helps if your Samsung S10 Plus falls down. So I put it already here before, and then I'm going to unbox this one, accessories toolkit. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna open it in front of your eyes, guys, because they deliver it to me with this box. So is this is oh actually it has a proof of purchase, like that. It has a proof of purchase. Yeah, and this is the the protector. It says it protects drop after drop after drop. It says 10 puncture drop protection, crystal clear, ultra thin, stay connected, contains bullet shield. Bullet shield contains shield. It says a high performing impact material unique to Tech 21. Aborts impact energy drop after drop. Yes, so yeah, this is the protector for the phone. Even if you drop it, it will still save your phone eventually. And then there is this car charger. Hi birds. Car charger. and it has a dual USB C3A and USB-A2.4A. So you can use in kind of USB if you want to charge it in your car. So and it has a 24 months warranty also, if you can see that. Alright, and the last but not the least is this one, fast charger. It says fast charge stream disc. It's a charge stream disc stand, adjustable wireless charging disc stand, 2 times more power for a faster charge. Fast wireless charging charges through lightweight cases. So I'm gonna unbox this, I'm gonna unbox this, guys. Okay. It's hard. I think I can unroll this one. There goes. Mura ni siya ka ng mag-charge ka. Yung itong ipatindog, inana ba? If you charge your Samsung. If you charge your Samsung like that. Actually, I think this is 6.4 inch wide. Oh, this is the inside, guys. And I have, look, it's like a thing that when you order in the restaurant and you wait for your number, and if it's your time, it will ring or buzz by vibrate, and yeah. And it has a muffy, and it has always an instruction how to use it. Yeah, so I'm gonna look. I want you to see it fully. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out. Take it out. Oh, it has a charger, USB charger at the back of this. It smells expensive. Mahal. This phone is $1,499, and because it has a high gigabyte, but then plus the accessories is almost $200, so it's like $1,700, guys. So yeah, I don't know, maybe I don't want to ruin it, but I don't know how this look. So I'm gonna put it. There is a charger. It's not a good unboxing, right? I don't know what's this one. So it's empty now. So I'm gonna put it back. And then I don't know what's this. I need to look like that. How to put it in good hand. So I don't know how. So it's like that. I think I need to watch YouTube how to put this, attach all this stand charger. It says Muffy, Mophie. I don't know if you can see, guys. Yeah. So I think, hold on. Yeah. So like that. Okay. So this one should be here. This one should be here. How come? Oh, here, it's magnet. It's a magnet. No, because it's like that. It's like that. It's like that. Ah, okay, it's like that. And this is the one here. I don't know. This is the one here. It's like a magnet, guys. Hold on. So I'm going to do that. Like that. And then this one should be here. In this, see, I managed to put that there. Ah, okay. Okay. It's magnet. Okay. See, I managed to put that there, guys. See, so you just have to follow your instinct even you're not reading the instructions or something. But honestly, the best is you have to read the instruction first. I'm just doing it from my instinct, and then because it's almost like that, guys. So now I'm gonna try. So how can I charge this one? I'm gonna try to put the phone if it will fit. So my phone is here. Oh, hold on. Let me see. I think it's not doing anything. Charge stream disk. So look at, guys. So this one already is like this. So I managed to put it like that. So it's, if you're gonna charge, you're just gonna do like that also, right? Look. Okay. So look. I managed to put that to do like this, but I don't know how or where to. I don't know how to charge this thing. I mean, it has a charger. Yeah, it has a charger. I did not open it, but later I will try it. All right. And so, hold on, guys. Hold on. So it shows here. It shows here. Compatible with, it is compatible, this actually, this wireless charger is actually compatible with Apple, Samsung, Motorola, LG, and Qi enabled smartphones. Universal wireless charging, Samsung fast charge, Apple fast charge, Apple fast charge. So yeah, so Apple can also, I can also charge the Apple here, but now I need to read the instruction because I cannot see where will I insert the USB to charge. So I will charge this later, guys, but this is actually how you will do it, like that, because it's a wireless. So even if you just let your phone, imo ra bitaw siyang i-taple ana ra nimo siya, mo charge ra kuno siya, pero ako ra ni siyang testingan on niya. Okay, so I'm just worried where to connect this, because I know this is like this, right? So it's like that, but this one I don't know where to insert. I don't know where to insert. Ah, yeah. So yeah, see, can you see that hole? There's a hole there that I can put this. Hold on. No, no, it's not. It's not because as I see, yes it is. Yes it is. Yes it is. Yes it is because look. So I need to insert here. Okay. But why it doesn't go through? It is very, very deep. Yeah, it can go through. Yeah, so like this, guys. So that's how it will be charged. But I need to read the instruction first, alright? And then like that. So now your Samsung S10 Plus will be charging wireless, but you need to, this one, you have to plug it in, of course. Kay dili man mo charge kung dili ni mo isaksak sa kuryente, diba? Diri ko nag-unbox sa gawas kay para ulay samok sa sulod kay madunggan ko nila mag-unbox nga may akong bana kay tanaw siya nagkatawa. Kay kuan unya karon imo na ni siya, guys, ha, kay basi madugay 16 minutes na akong video. So this is the unboxing of my Samsung S10 Plus, and it is worth all of it. This one and the gadgets and everything, it's $1,700. So kamo na mo kuan na kwenta sa Philippine money. Ako man ni siyang giplan unta, guys, kay sa sulod sa tulo ka tuig in 3 years, but it's better to pay it up front so that you don't have problem, because I don't want to utang-utang. Hindi ko na mag-utang. So maong bayaran na lang namo. Actually gahapon ang gikuha ang bayad sa among account. So maura to, guys. At least I unbox my Samsung S10 Plus. This is my latest vlog. It smells really, really good when it's really new. There is still something in here. I don't know what's this one. I forgot to check this out. So if you're gonna unbox, you have to really check what's inside of all of it. What's inside of this? Maybe they can give me some money. No. Okay, this is, see, it is sealed. It has a quick start guide. Yeah, and if I have to, and for your eyes, on your eyes, I'm gonna rip it off, alright? Because this is the unboxing. Agkay nagisi. Kay ano siya kung ako na siyang tangtangon, dili na gini siya mauli, dili na siya ma-refund. Ako na yung gisiun sa inyong atubangan, okay? There you go. There you go, guys. See, it was sealed. It has a warranty card, and it has a quick start guide. So that's it. I'm gonna fix my unboxing thing. Look, guys. Cara ko makeup ba? Look, guys, a mess. It is a mess. I want to show you. Where's my phone? Yeah. That's it. That's my mess. That's my mess. That's my mess. That's my mess. The charger here and the headset and everything. And I'm outside. This is a nice way to unbox where there are garden beds and gardens and veggies and flowers and clumsy and carbon on the side. And yeah, so that's it, guys. I want to say, hope you like my unboxing. And I want to ask something about where is like the one that looks like a worm. Like a worm. Where is it? Where is the worm? Can't find it. Oh, this one. I want to ask, what is this? It's like a, it feels like worm. But I think this has something to do with the screen. Maybe, I'm not sure. So guys, so thank you and have a good day, you all. Bye.